how to log in bitcoin.com wallet account, bitcoin.com wallet login. If you want to log into your bitcoin.com wallet account, simply open up the bitcoin.com wallet application, and this is a normal type of interface you will see. From here, you can simply go to the settings option from the bottom right. Then right here, you'll find this option called sign in. So create account or sign in. So you can just tap on it. Now here, all you have to do to sign in, you can sign in with Google just like this. Or what you can do is simply enter your email, and all you have to do is simply enter the email address that you want to use and enter the password and sign into your account. If you happen to forget your password, you can also just try to reset your password. This way you'll be able to log in bitcoin.com wallet account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.